What's up?
What is this?
So if you look at that, you'll see there's some hinges here and over there. And then there's hinges on both sides of that. So we used to use this as a display during trade shows and stuff. I brought it home and I said, what I'm gonna do with that is I'm going to make a headboard with it. So I wanted to make a headboard for my bed. And as I'm looking at it, I said, by the time I cut it down and do it and piece it together, I don't know how it's gonna look. So I figured I would just buy some wood and I would just build one myself. So yesterday I got together, I built my headboard. So, you know, the tools I use is a nail gun, an isolating saw.
Milwaukee guy.
I got Milwaukee and I got DeWalt. If I'm on a job site and the people are working with DeWalt's, I will use Milwaukee. If I'm on a job site and people are working with Milwaukee, I will use DeWalt. I don't try and share my same tools with other people on the job site because you lose your tools.
People take them all the time?
You just disappear. That's a good clip because that is a true story. That is true. Hell, I'd rather buy something that is more expensive that nobody else uses. But there's really nothing out there. I mean, these are the brands that people use most and they're the most dependable. We can buy Porter cables, a good one, but they don't have as much of a selection. So you run into that, and I don't want to run into that. They're harder to find. You can't just go anywhere and buy them. So I stick with Milwaukee. I stick with DeWalt. They both are good tools. I don't have any problem with either one of them. Well, let's go upstairs. Let's look at that headboard. So this is the headboard I made. I got my pillows off of the bed so you can see it. And I still got to come in, and I haven't painted it yet because I don't know what color I want it to be. It looks like it needs a medallion or something in the middle of it. Maybe, you know, I think I'm gonna lean toward maybe painting it black. I gotta change this ugly comforter, put a different comforter on. I gotta put a sham on the bed. I gotta do some other dress up stuff to make it look good. But I put a receptacle on each side. If you look over there and take a picture of that, it's got USB-C and USB ports in it, plus plug in. Each light has a switch on it so they can turn it on from this side. You can turn that one on from that side. It's a simple little headboard, but it's got a little bit of a convenience thing to it. It took me about a day and a half. I think I had to go to the store 3 times.
Really?
It was pretty pathetic. Pretty pathetic. Well, I got regular receptacles, and then once I got the regular receptacles, I looked at them and I said, you know what? I don't want regular receptacles. And then I put a 3-way switch on it where both lights turned on from each switch. And then I took that out and I said, I don't want a 3-way switch. I just want to turn this light on from this side, that light on that side, that way.
And that's it.
Yeah, and it's just simple. So that's all.
And then how much did it cost?
I think I got about maybe $300 in material.
Okay.
Something like that. It ain't bad.